Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we would learn about Chef Inspec's next component, which is resources. Inspec comes with a lot of built-in resources like, for example, files, package, service, using which we can test all our system file types, service status, package status. So let's see a few examples of resources. We can use the file Chef Inspec audit resource to test all system file types, including files, symbolic links, directories, group, mode, content, and many more things. A file resource block declares the location of the file to be tested, the expected file type if required, and one or more resources properties like, for example, the file is supposed to be existing and it should be a directory or should be owned by a specific user. Similarly, let's look into the resource which is service. With Chef Inspec, we audit resources to test if a named service is installed, running, or is enabled. A service resource block declares the name of the service and then one or more matchers to test the state of the service. Like, for example, if the specific service is installed or not, and if the state of the service is running and enabled or not. We also have something called a Chef Inspec shell, which is an interactive shell and is based on Pry that can be used to quickly run Chef Inspec controls and tests without having to write it to a file. So we need not create a profile or a test file to execute. Pry is an interactive programming environment that takes users' input, evaluates it, and returns the results to the user. It uses read, evaluate, print loop, which is simple, interactive computer programming environment. Chef Inspec shell will automatically evaluate the result of every command as if it was a test file. And if we wish to connect to a remote machine, we can use -t flag and we can connect using SSH, WinRM or Docker connection. We are not required to use Inspec shell to develop our profiles, but yes, in case we want an immediate feedback or we want to explore about what's available, we can always use Inspec. And we can also debug our profiles using Inspec shell. So we would see how do we work with it. We will move to our Chef workstation. And Inspec came pre-installed when we installed Chef Workstation on our server. We can enter the interactive session of Inspec shell by typing Inspec shell. Before to that, let's see what's the version of Inspec we have. And then I will type in Inspec shell and enter the interactive mode. We can type in help command to see what all commands are available. We can run help resources to see which all resources are available. And you can see there are plenty of resources available. Inspec is built on Ruby programming language and Inspec matchers are implemented as Ruby methods. So we can run list command to check what all available methods are there with file resources. And I can even sort the output of the command using .sort. So you can see there are a lot of methods available with file resource. Let's pick up directory method and see how does it work. So I'll check file and I'm giving the name of the file and checking if it's a directory. I can even write a block over here, the code block, which is a multi-line code, and then execute it. So with Inspec shell, we can use the describe command and we can end the block using end. I'm doing the same thing. I'm describing, I'm saying file resource, I'm giving the file name and I'm giving the condition saying that it should be a directory and ending the block with end. And yeah, it shows that /temp is a directory. Let's now see how do we connect to a remote server. So I would use Inspec shell with -t and then I will give SSH, the user ID, the target machine and the password. I'm using the root user. In case you're using any other user, you can use sudo password instead of --password. So we are into our Web 01 server, which we had installed as an Apache 2 web server. Let's see whether Apache 2 package is present or not. So we can execute package Apache 2 and then call the method installed and check whether it's installed or not. Apache 2 package is installed. Same way I can check the status of the service of Apache 2. Cool. Apache 2 service is also up and running. You can exit from the inspect shell by typing exit command. So we have seen the various components of Chef Inspect and also seen how to use inspect shell to interactively and quickly audit the servers. In the next video, we will see how to create profiles to execute compliance scan on a web server. See you then.